What is up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Ox Vlogs. I got my cousin Trevor here. I got Jacob here. Originally, the plan was he was going to show me how it's done on my Forza simulator that I got. It's the Logitech G920. He's currently driving a Nissan 240SX that has the Rocket Bunny kit on it. I've done nothing to it, haven't modified it or anything. He's doing pretty terrible. Jacob, what do you think?
I hate it.
Seems like a pro to me. But anyway, this episode, video.
What? You missed my best drift.
I missed your best drift?
My best one.
That's not a drift. You're just tossing the car sideways for like 5 seconds. This episode today, we're going to Quaker Steak once again. We got a lot of people going with us. We're all riding out to Quaker, and it should be an awesome night. So see you guys when we get to Quaker. What is up, guys? We are here at Quaker. Show you guys what's here. Do a little bit of speaking. Nobody likes to hear too much talking, but we'll roll around for a little bit. Show you guys what's here. Hey Justin, tell me how this S2K makes your heart feel.
There's no words.
Can't even describe it.
Like in a year, I'm gonna have one. Really? Maybe less. Maybe less.
So we got big goals. Hopefully I'll be getting my Rex in about 5 months. He'll be getting his S2K within a year, and he's gonna have lots of fun with it. Hopefully see him get that very soon. Trevor, what do you think of your first time here at Quaker Steak and Lube so far?
I think it's a lot better than any meet I've ever been to. At least 10 times better.
10 times better?
At least.
Why is that?
Because there's actually turnout here.
Nice.
And nice cars here.
So my friend Trevor has fallen in love with cars, and he hopes to get an S2K also.
Yes, sir.
He has a, what is it, a 9th gen Civic?
8th gen.
8th gen Civic. Nothing special, it's not an SI or anything.
Nothing.
But
it's completely soft. Nothing fun about it.
we're gonna get him in something a little bit more fun for sure.
So
hopefully
an S2K.
We'll be happy when he gets in a car that he can whip around a little bit.
And call it mine. You know,
call it mine.
You know,
I had an 8th gen. I already got the part listed.
yeah.
I get the money to put the stuff in the car. Right?
So, all right. So naturally, I'm gonna gravitate towards the Subarus. Obviously, I see a bunch of BRZs. I don't see. No, there's the Rexes. The Rexes are more towards the back. What do you think? 86 or WRX? Personally.
Look at this one.
Badass. It's just badass. I had the color of the pipe.
STI. I don't mess around with STIs. If everyone does their research, they know the WRX is a better car. Seriously, you can make 400 on a stock block with a Rex. Alright, so one car I definitely have to have eventually for my dream garage has to be the GC. It's a GC series, and I love them. You can pick them up for super cheap now, but they're not always in the best condition, but this one's pretty cool. It's like a Lapsus blue. So, as you can see, we got exposure out here. So, the group of people that you see here with us is actually Jacob, Trevor, myself, Justin, and Cash. We have a little treat for you guys coming up in the future. Remember the people that I introduced you to, that I put a lot of emphasis on their names, because you guys aren't going to want to miss this for sure.
Big things coming soon.
How are you liking the photography stuff?
It's pretty good. I like it. I like using the camera. I think it's fun.
Content creation in general, I love it. Get some good video for you guys, some good pictures. For sure, it'll be uploaded on our Instagram, our media channel. If you are already following it, I'll link it below, but I'll also say it. It's called Florida Motive. So it's a pretty good page. We try our best to fill it with some good content. The main guy that deals with the page is this guy right here. He manages the page, but we collectively, we bring content to the page. Jacob, what do you think of this GTR? Jacob, your reaction?
Beautiful.
right, guys, that's gonna do it for us tonight at Quaker Steak and Lube. We will see you guys next time on Ox Vlogs.
Yeah!